Hey, it's me again, your girl VanZeig, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. On today's video, we're going to be installing a wig. This one is a half wig. It is supposed to be a quick weave style. I got it in this beautiful color red. It's called by the name Estee, and it's supposed to be 12 inches. I'll have something scrolling up so y'all can see where I got it from and the specs, but I believe I got this one off of elevatedstyles.com or elevatestyles.com. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees, I believe, and it's by Outre. And you're supposed to be able to apply it within 60 seconds. So with my hair, the way it's twisted up, I guarantee it's going to take a little longer. Hold on. Okay, so I have pulled my hair back, put it under a stocking cap. You can see my hair is in its natural texture. And of course, I want to try to do this without having to put heat to my hair. So I'm just going to start by opening up the packet to show y'all what's going on in here. Everything falls out, of course. So I'm just going to take the packing material out. Here's the card one more time. Again, the wig is called Estee in the color, I want to say DRST red velvet style ST. But here it is out of the pack. To me, it has that texture of if you were to flat iron your hair without any of the bounce to it. You know what I'm saying? Just like it's movable, but it's like natural hair movable. You know what I'm saying? Not blown out movable. It does have 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. Personally, on the half wigs, I do like the comb to be all the way across the front, so I have extra security. The cap is very breathable. It's that poke through breathable cap, not the net breathable cap, which either or works fine, but I do like this poke through one. It guarantees your head's not going to be extremely hot once you wear this wig. I do love the color. I love that it gradiates from the root in that black color, so your hair has a chance to blend better when you do blend down the wig with your hair. So I'm plopping it on and see what I can do. This is what it's looking like without me doing much of anything, and I think it looks pretty good. But I'm gonna just brush it back, see what I can do with it, just playing around with it. I think the color is beautiful on me. I was very surprised that I really like the color on me. Y'all know I don't really do a lot of colors, so yeah, it's really pretty on me. I think I might start wearing this color more often. So because I'm trying not to do anything with heat, I'm just gonna go in with some edge control to straighten out my hair. Now putting this edge control on this hair will make the hair more stiff, but I think this is the quickest way for me to blend the hair to blend my hair with the wig hair. But doing this, do be mindful that it's going to make the wig hair stiff. As you can already see, it's not moving that much in the front anymore. So I'm just brushing it through, see what I can work with. Personally, I didn't like the way it turned out, so I'm going to take out more hair in the front just to see what I can do. Okay, so y'all gonna see me working with it for a little while here, a little longer than 5 or 6 minutes. But actually, as the finished product comes along, y'all will see that it actually works out pretty good. Once I was done styling the wig and I actually stepped out of the house with it on, here's me. I untwisted some more of my twist, and that way I have a little bit more coverage. But yeah, as I stepped out of the house with it, I thought of more things I could have done to make it blend better with my hair. Like maybe go back to the minimal leave out and just tease the front of the wig to better blend in with my hair instead of taking out more of my hair. So, but yeah, I think it worked out with what I'd find with the final look that I did with it, but definitely could have did more to make it blend better. So just be mindful of that. If you don't care about putting heat on your hair, I'm almost sure that this will blend down perfectly, but I didn't want to do the heat thing. So I'm trying my best not to do that. So I'm just going to continue to try to work this with edge control to to just straighten out my hair as best I can. And I think I made it work for the most part, but I definitely could have did more things to make this work. Okay, so I'm gonna let y'all watch me fight with this to get it to blend down. As you can see, the video isn't that long. It's only about maybe 10 to 15 minutes of work with me not using heat tools. So yeah, just sit back, watch me work, and I'll pop back in at the end for my final thoughts. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I think this turned out super cute. I'm doing some finishing touches by evening out the curls because I did decide to try to wear it as a side part situation on my head as usual. but the color is beautiful. It's really easy to style. I think if I would have took more time to blend it, but as usual, I'm always on my way out the door, I think I would have had more success. But again, this is by Outre. It's a quick weave collection in the style Estee, and I got it in the color DRST Red Velvet. Really easy to use, really easy to style. Hopefully y'all will try it out and let me know what y'all think. Everything will be linked in the description box below. All right, this has been your girl VanZeig, aka Vanessa. I will see y'all next time. Vanessa out. Peace.